Welcome back to another session, my dear students. Today, before we start our session, tell me what is a statue. Look at the picture, children. A statue is a freestanding sculpture in which the realistic full-length figures of persons or animals or non-representational forms are carved in a durable material like wood, metal or stone. Let us discuss about the chapter 6, Lawley Road by R.K. Narayan, with the theme of independence, corruption, power, loyalty and identity. The extract has been taken from his Malgudi Days collection and is narrated in the first person by the talkative man. Now, let us discuss some points about R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, who was born in October 10th, 1906. His full name Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy. He was an Indian writer who was born in Chennai. R.K. Narayan's distinctive contribution to the growth and development of English short story is well recognized both at the national and international level. These stories have enriched the Indian English literature. The background of imaginary and world town Malgudi lends a unique charm to his stories. The technique of tragicomedy, employing a narrator, humorous description invested with wit and satire. His also depiction of life's grim struggle and its triumph enriches his stories with an underlying sense of stability and continuity. R.K. Narayan has got 9 volumes of short story collections and the famous one is Malgudi Days. My dear students, now let us discuss the new words and their meanings. First one, brooding, thinking about something. Second one, scourge, a person who causes suffering. Third one, Machiavelli. I repeat, Machiavelli, someone who uses clever plans to achieve what he or she wants. The next one is tyrant, a cruel and unjust ruler. Implements, tools or instruments. Booty, valuable things that a person wins, buys or achieves. So my dear students, now let us quickly summarize the video using this mind map. Lawley Road. So there was a municipal chairman. So along with municipal council, they wanted to clean the roads, streets to hoist the flag for Independence Day. After that, they wanted to remove the statue of Sir Lawley, so which was there before independence. So this was not done by the municipal chairman on time. So the narrator took the statue home as the shifting was very difficult. People protested as they came to know that Lawley was a virtuous person. So people did not know this before. So later on they came to know that Lawley was a virtuous person. Municipality bought the narrator's house and the statue and reinstated it. The municipality of Malgudi thought they have won their freedom from the British, incurred difficulties when trying to stamp their own seal of Malgudi. Not only do some of the streets have the same names, which is impractical, but the honesty of some of the council members and the chairman is a question. This may be important as Narayan may be suggesting that when a country gets its independence from another country, things may not necessarily run smoothly or appropriately. Some of the things that happen in Malgudi when they obtain independence is ridiculous, particularly when it comes to Sir Lawley's statue. At last, the talkative man brings the statue to his home. People protested as they came to know that Lawley was a virtuous man. So my dear students, I hope you understood the chapter. Read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.